Welcome the state chairman and members of the center to the campaign rally taking place in Esan West today. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you can all see this is the home of PDP in Edo Central. This crowd was put up within a period of 3 days. Anybody that is saying that PDP is not grand here is lying. What you can see here today attests to the what we are going to get on the election day and in future elections. Please tell His Excellency, the governor of Edo State, that we are behind him, we are supporting him, and PDP will win all the way here.
PDP is Esan West, Esan West is PDP. We are put able to shame today. So please, as we leave here to our respective wards from ward 1 to 10, please tell your people that PDP is back. We have our nominated chairman, capable young man. We have our respective councillors who would not vote around the support of St. Paper. So, after that only day, anyone in the back together. And PDP will move forward in Jesus' name.
First of all, before I go give this flag to my brother, Collins, Abuja, I will first of all thank our first. Where don't bring the party to listen. I want to know our leader by the power conferred on me by the state chairman and our amiable governor, I hereby hand over this flag of victory to the candidate of our party PDP in the 2nd September election. By the grace of God, victory in the mighty name of Jesus. This flag is yours for victory. For everybody in Esan West. My own senior brother, the Speaker in the State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Abebaku, our father, our capable leader, the State Chairman of our great party, all our native leaders here of our great party, PDP, Orega Maobilu, Orega Maobilu, may I appreciate all of you. He has given us the mantle of leadership.
Oh yeah. Please, all councillors, please, your attention is needed with your supporters. Please, all the councillors from...
Ladies and gentlemen, I must not also fail to recognize our leader. A leader who wants the youth to grow. A leader who has gone to National Assembly in the right chamber, he went, he saw, he conquered, he became victorious. Coming to welcome in the Opale Olwale of the universe, the political architectural engineer. It's not that person, it's Senator Clifford engineer of September. We are going to come out to test popularity. This is the ancestral home of PDP in this salon, and we are going to deliver. Let me show. And not just another that, all our candidates, right from the councillor to the chairman, they are the best, well selected right from the unit. Let me say now, Mr. Chairman, you are welcome. I know you are coming to give us the best. And in your time, without your favor, in your time, where I love my chairman, when he was campaigning from the state chairman position, he said, I don't have anything to give. He said, what I will give PDP, I will return PDP back to Osadebe Avenue.
This PDP, under my leadership, will retain and the governorship ticket will remain in Osadebe Avenue in 2024. And that candidate and that person will be an Esan man or woman. The relevant sections of the Constitution. I now hand over this flag to the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly to hand over to the candidate for Esan Central in the forthcoming 2nd of September election. Mr. Speaker.
PDP Esan Central, oh yeah. Esan Central, oh yeah. Irua, oh yeah. Odia, oh yeah. Do. Yeah. I salute you now. I greet you now. PDP Esan Central, I greet you now. Una welcome. Only PDP now they campaign to win election. Election day on the 2nd of September next month here. Only PDP now they campaign from word to word, unit to unit, and local government to local government. They tell the people what they go do for them. We no be people wey go sit down for house, we go wan rig. We know the rig election. We go campaign win. And by the grace of God, this victory for this 2nd election of September, now PDP go win am. Because of that one, this flag wey dey my hand so, I hand over am to my brother, the candidate for this our party for Esan Central for chairman, Mr. Iyoha. I hand over this flag to you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Victory is ours.
We believe una die. You know why? Because our leader, our national leader, Chief Tommy Kimbi, I'm not going to fall in hand. No, fit fall in hand.
No way.
No, fall in hand.
No way.
On the 2nd of September, all of us will come out. Vote for who?
PDP.
Vote for who?
Clement Aswelime.
Vote for who?
Clement Aswelime.
Una know am?
Yes.
Una know am?
Yes.
Una go vote for am?
Yes. Aswelime, oh yeah. Aswelime, oh yeah. Yes.
Woman talk to woman.
Woman understand.
Woman talk to woman.
Woman understand.
No woman.
No nation.
No woman.
No nation.
They say no woman, no
No
miliki.
miliki, Abi.
No woman.
No miliki.
No miliki.
No nation.
Your vice chairmanship candidate is here. Clap for her. On behalf of the leader of our party and in consonance with all the relevant sections in the party's constitution, I hereby delegate to the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly to hand over this flag to our candidate for Igueben Federal Constituency, Engineer Clement Asulime, in the 2nd of September local government election.
PDP. PDP. Igueben oye. Igueben oye. Do. Yeah. Do. Yeah. Igueben, I agree to now. I salute you now. I want to thank you first for the vote una vote for my brother Igueben. I thank you for that too. Another one day again on the 2nd of September. As una do one for Igueben, una still do one for Clement Asulime, wey go be our chairman. Only PDP na be the party. Only PDP now they move from word to word, unit to unit, local government to local government to go campaign to the people. You don't see any other party campaign since. Now only we the campaign. That's why we they win. Today we go present this flag of victory. But if power confide on me by our governor and our state chairman, Tony Azegbemi, I hereby present this flag of victory to our brother, the candidate for the election of on the 2nd September next month. This flag is a flag of victory. This flag is a flag of progress for the people. I hereby present it in the name of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
It is now my honor and privilege to invite the chairmanship candidate for Igueben local government with all the 10 councillors, with his vice chairmanship candidate to talk to his people with their umbrellas. Mr. Chairman. Igueben oye. Youth oye. Women oye.